Keeping your food fresh is a real pain when you're out on a journey. That's why you need an A premium fridge. You can turn it into a refrigerator or a freezer, whatever your needs are. Preservation, freezing, it can win both. Quiet operation, lower than 45 decibels. A premium fridges feature the refreshing color, inspired by nature, make it fresh and unique. Keep you cool at all time. A Premium tailors different sizes of fridges for various demands. TAW series, MK series, AC series. All the styles, all in A Premium.